Hello, John here again. Another box, another parcel. Now, give you a quick peeky sneak at what it says on the label. Amstrad. Yes, I finally got an Amstrad. Got the Dragon 32 a while ago. Now, got an Amstrad. So, I've opened it up just to let it acclimatise, and we'll see what we've got in there. So, package in, empty box. Right, okay. Let's just move that out of the way. Let's see what we got here. Alright. So this is an Amstrad MP1 modulator. Now I've done a bit of research on this, and apparently this serves as a power supply and a TV monitor thing. Yeah. So that goes into the Amstrad, and then where is it? It's down here somewhere. That goes into the TV. So we've got a TV modulator. Put that just down there, and here we go. Well packed. Given that one Amstrad, I didn't realise how big these machines were. Right, so we'll get some scissors on the case. There we go. There we go. How about that for beauty? Now, I can see some of you guys going, hang on, John, that's no Amstrad, it ain't got any green keys. Well, this was a special edition Amstrad where the keys were grey. So this is a unique Amstrad that I've managed to get my mitts on. Crikey, they're heavy. And this is can't read what that says. It says version B. So this is a version B. So whoops. It's really long. So now I have only just, so we'll put that there. I have only just received this because I knew I was getting that. So my mate at Retro Computer Shack, Amstrad high quality SCART cable, so I can plug it into the telly. So yeah, I presume the power supply goes in there. I plug that into the computer, that into the monitor, that into the TV. So I am quite pleased because I've not seen one of this type on eBay at all, and so I was quite chuffed I got this. And I got this, I don't know how I got it so cheap, seeing as that Amstrads are going for, you know, 80-90 pounds at the moment. I got this for a lot less than that. I think people looked at it and thought this is not an Amstrad. But that's what it says on the computer. It's a CPC 464. It's colour. It just has grey keys. So yeah. So it's got. So this looks like it's a floppy disk interface. It's got a printer interface and the monitor and the power supply. We've got a speaker over here. Then we've got a limeation. Wow. Alimentation. Yeah, whatever. Volume control. Got the cassette. We'll see if that fast forwards and rewinds, because I've got nothing for this yet. I've ordered a DDI3, so it emulates the disk drive. Joystick port, and I presume that's a sound port. So I'm happy about this. I'm so thrilled I've got one of these, and the fact that I've got a non-standard looking one, because anyone can get a standard looking one. All that needs is this needs a good clean. So you know, just take a thing about taking it apart, cleaning the keyboard up and everything, and we'll be fine. Right, let's get her plugged into the telly and find out exactly how she goes. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Hello, John here again, and there we go. One Amstrad CPC plugged into the telly, plugged in with that big module thing there. So now I'm going to switch it on. Now, you know, that switch, that text that I couldn't say actually meant switch. So I'm going to switch it on. There's the light, and there's the thing of beauty. Right then, let's see what we can get up to. Right then, so we're on the screen now. I don't know much about the Amstrads. I'm trying to get some books and stuff, so I'm just going to do my standard, you know, John print. John is great. Whoops, I've done it again. Great. Right. Oh, the enter key's a little bit dodgy. 20. Go to 10. List. Cool. Oh, it's correctly uppercased it. Okay, let's run. Yes. Excellent. Right, let's do. That's it. List. Let's do it a bit better now. So, print John 20 print is 30 print great. I may be great, but I can't spell. 40, go to 10. Run. Oh, you have to press break twice. So, graphics. No. Help. Nope. So there's no way of figuring out what these have. It's a shame. I'll have to get myself a CPC manual. Could always look online. Anyway, so we seem to have a working Amstrad. I've bought myself the complete Amstrad library on DVD, so that's why I'm waiting for the DDI3 to come. Once the DDI3 comes, I'll do another video of that and show you, and hopefully I've got a manual by then, and show you what I've learnt. But I'm just wondering, have I got a book, basic book for the Amstrad? Spectrum, BBC, Electron, Dragon and Vic. No, that hasn't got any Amstrad stuff in. What about that one? No, that's just the Spectrum. Ooh. Yeah. It's BBC and Electron. Right, okay. So next thing on my shopping list is the manual for the CPC. And then I'll learn how to use it. See, there's the fast forward. Yeah, it's fast forwarding. Does it rewind? Yes, it's rewinding. Does it play? Oh, I don't know. Let's do load. Oh, load. Load. There we go. Press play. Okay, pressing play. And I've pressed play. And there is no press play, then any key. Oh, what am I doing? Press play. Right, is it moving? Oh yes, we have moving cogs. So it looks like the tape deck's working. Right. So I'm really chuffed that this is working because of the Dragon fiasco where, you know, they said it was working and then it's not, and when I go and tell them it's not, they just ignore me. So I'm hoping I can get that fixed. I'm hoping someone can help me, or even get in touch with me and contact me. But this one's working and I love it. Just needs a clean, and I'm going to do that to make it nice and look nice. Just a little bit of dust, I suppose. But I've got a grey Amstrad CPC. Finally got an Amstrad. Yes. And the enter key's now freed up now I've used it. Let's see, let's use all the characters though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Minus, up, clear. I suppose that means shift and clear. No. Q, W, QWERTY. Well, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Oh, it's all there. Shift lock. The quick brown fox jumped over. Ooh. Jumped over the lazy dog. Excellent. Oh, it's got keypad as well. Just been looking at that. Oh, and another enter key. Excellent. So what's this control doing? So CLS. Ah, right. Anyway, enough of me playing. Another computer for my collection. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. Hello. My latest acquisition, Amstrad CPC 464. Unique because of the grey keys. Well, me knowing me, I couldn't have the one, so I bought a traditional Amstrad CPC 464. This was on sale, and because the eBay listing had spelt the computer name wrong, I got this quite cheaply compared to that one, you know, which cost me a few quid. This one was, you know, like a bargain. So I'm going to switch it on. As you can see, the power light's on. So switch over to the screen and you can see. Well, there we go. Switched over to the screen. and it's crystal clear. And so we'll just do my simple roots. Great. Oops. Do my simple Johnny's Great routine. And the whole point of this Amstrad CPC 464 is to well, I'm going to use the green one for the videos. The grey one is going to go into my museum, which is what I normally do with all my computers. Is I have one to treasure, which goes in the museum, and the other one is still to treasure, but they are my workhorses. So I've now got the Amstrad version of the 8-bit computer, and so now I've got the four. I've got the Commodores, the Spectrums, the BBC Micros, and now the Amstrads. There's only one I need to get, which is the Dragons, and as you know, the Dragons that I bought already don't work, so I'm still waiting on a Dragon. But there we go. So I just thought I'd give you an update on my Amstrad acquisitions, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.